Are you trying to save your favorite Pinterest videos for offline viewing? You're in the right place. In this detailed tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to download Pinterest videos effortlessly. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices. First, open the Pinterest mobile app on your device and find the video you want to download. For example, if I want to download New York City videos, I'll search for them in the search bar. Once I find a video I want, I'll open it in full screen mode. Since Pinterest doesn't have a built-in download button, we'll use an alternative method. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open a menu, then select Copy Link. After copying the link, exit the Pinterest app and open any web browser of your choice. If you're on an iPhone, you can use Safari, or if you're on Android, you can use Chrome or another browser. In the search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader and open a website called Pinterest Downloader. The link will also be in the video description for easy access. Once the website loads, paste the copied link into the provided field and tap the Download button. Scroll down slightly and click on the Force Download button to save the video directly to your device's gallery. And that's all for it. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.